Aptera SEV. Aptera plans to sell electric cars that are easy to drive, easy to maintain, easy to self-fix, and most importantly, completely free to charge through the solar roof of the vehicle. While that is an impressive and admirable promise compared to other major electric car makers, the looks of this electric three-wheel vehicle may require some time to be accepted by the majority of people. And so far, what we know is that it will have in-wheel motors made by Elaphe. It is expected to produce 50 kilowatts and 67 horsepower and not place a significant amount of strain on the vehicle's suspension. And with the standard front-wheel drive and an optional third-wheel drive, the 0 to 60 mph time is expected to be about 3.5 seconds. It is likely that front-wheel drive will be standard. However, one item has remained constant during Aptera's transition to a solar-powered electric vehicle: the company's ultra-light, ultra-strong passenger shell. Despite having the lightest bodywork, incredibly smooth aerodynamics, and tires with extremely low rolling resistance, a solar-powered three-wheel electric car achieves 4 times the efficiency of a normal electric sedan. Prices are estimated to start in the region of $25,900.